What the fog? Good morning mga Cried Out. We are here at Baguio City, the summer capital of the Philippines. Medyo lang. So we are here at Sumulong sa May Rizal, and currently we have 20 degrees Celsius at fog. And may fog na po ngayon. And I decided po na lumusong na pababa, dahan-dahan lang. Kasi baka abutan tayo ng New Year. Medyo, ito yung tawag nila na patay na ulan or matagal na pagbuhos ng ulan or ambon. So, ride safe sa atin mga Cried Out.